MIP Discovery, a company that specializes in testing kits, has received a substantial grant from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. Combined with proprietary nanoMIP technology, the project will use MIP Discovery's animal-free/cell-free assay reagents as an alternative and potential improvement to antibodies. This will then rapidly enable high-volume, low-cost diagnostic tests in low- and middle-income countries. This process is particularly useful in the type of endemic or pandemic outbreaks recently observed. Indeed, the proliferation of effective diagnostic tests is critical to managing disease outbreaks on a regional or global scale. The challenge is to rapidly develop diagnostics, ones that can also be scaled up for widespread use in a short period of time. With this in mind, MIP Discovery's imprinted polymer technology can meet this need for speed and scale, and the company is optimizing the process, which will be much faster than producing a new type of antibody. At the same time, MIP Discovery worked hard to shorten the current timeline to develop and scale the novel assay in less than 4 weeks. Once this milestone is reached, nanoMIP assays can be deployed using high-throughput diagnostic platforms or lateral flow devices. Stefan Argidier, CEO of MIP Discovery, is confident that the project can be successful. COVID-19 has taught the world the importance of pandemic preparedness, especially the importance of effective use of diagnostic tests. We are proud to work with the Foundation and other partners such as Flexitronics, a Sapphiros company, to develop new ways to deliver diagnostic tests for disease globally. Our proprietary nanoMIP technology will redefine how the world will respond to endemic and epidemics crisis, whether natural or otherwise. Mike Evans, chairman of MIP Discovery. Pandemics are very global events that require a rapid global response. Funded by the Foundation, this project is an important step in the development of low-cost, high-volume IVD tools that can provide rapid scalable solutions, whether for known diseases like Ebola or emerging viruses behaving like recent COVID-19 strains.